Meghalaya Government has allowed the reopening of schools from the 30th of this month with some kind of restriction. The classes will start functioning partially in rural areas and partially in urban and semi-urban areas. The opening of the schools will be done after due consultation with the school managing committees, and that too after sanitization of education institutions. However, attending schools by students is still mandatory to get the permission of the parents. Some schools that are so willing to start the classes immediately have already sent the routines to the students immediately after the notification was issued by the Education Department. While welcoming the decision of the state government to start the schools from 30th of this month, the president of Khasi Jaintia Deficit School Association, Kular Khongjiram, said the state government is still silent on the fate of the primary and upper primary relating to their final examinations when their academic session will end in February 2021. Talking to the media, Khongjiram, who is also the deficit school teacher of KJP Girls High Secondary School located at Mission Compound in Maukhar area, Shillong, is of the opinion that the government should close all the schools after the 18th of December till next year so that people can celebrate Christmas and New Year.
Very much concerned regarding the education of the students, so we know better than others knows as teachers. Then after the reopening of the school, we will try our best how to take care of the teachers regarding education, especially class 10 and class 12, where they were appeared for the final SSLC examination 2021. Also, we have seen that the declaration of the government, the announcement of government, is not. The government has not yet declared regarding the direct promotion for the lower class. I think for the lower class, we also appeal the government that before February 2021, where this session will end, the government should also declare the direct promotion for the lower class, because parents complain us that class 4, class 5, they have already cleared, they have already paid the school fees. How can they pay again for the class 5, class 6 for the same year without their own faults? That's why we need the announcement from the government that lower class should also be declared promoted for the school children. Also, we have from the association, from the KJDSA, I have remind the principal secretary, Chidi Dipi Walang, that as far as our pending area is concerned, he should take up with the government to release before Christmas. In fact, we are entitled to enjoy the third installment of areas of the revised pay, but so far we have received only the first installment. Last year we are to get the second installment, and this year we are going to get the third installment. But because of the government constraint, financial constraint faced by the government could not able to pay our second and third areas of the revised pay. So I remind the principal secretary yesterday that he will take up immediately with the government, with the finance department, to release the pending areas of the second installment and the third installment for the deficit school teachers. And also I have reminded yesterday the Education Minister that since he has assured us to meet after the session, after the assembly session, I have reminded him yesterday that he will fix the date and the time to meet him as far as possible, so that we can discuss the pending issues of the teachers in the state and the issues of education as a